Hello friends, welcome back to TechGetter Official. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix error code 0xC0000022, also known as the Access Permission Blocked error on Windows. If you're seeing this pop-up message while using apps or games, don't worry, this fix is simple and I'll walk you through it step by step. So let's get started. Open Registry Editor. Click on the Start menu. Type regedit. Right-click on Registry Editor and choose Run as Administrator. If you see a User Account Control, UAC, pop up, click Yes. Before making any changes, I recommend creating a backup of the registry. Go to File and click Export. Name the backup with today's date. Ensure the export range is set to All. Save it somewhere easy to find. If something goes wrong, you can restore it by going to File, Import, and selecting that backup. Navigate to the key location. Now follow this path step by step. HKey Local Machine. Software. Microsoft. Windows and current version. Software Protection Platform. Once you're inside Software Protection Platform, look on the right side for a value named. Once you're there, find the entry named SkipRearm, double-click it, and change the value from 0 to 1, then click OK. Now close the registry editor and restart your computer. After rebooting, the error should be gone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next tutorial.